In Google AdWords display, there are 7 ways so as to target your audience. These 7 ways are going to be your tools to find and target the right audience for your campaigns. I'm going to write down these 7 ways, and then we are going to analytically show you when to choose each one and how to choose each one. It's very easy. You have to focus on that. First of all, the first option is to target your audience based on keywords. It's the most ancient, the oldest way of targeting the GDN network, based on keywords. There are 2 subsections of keywords. There is audience and content. So you can target audience based on keywords. That means that you target audience that search for these keywords. And then you can target content. That means pages, that means articles that have inside them these keywords, that mention these keywords. So you have one way of targeting keywords, and this one way has 2 subsections, audience and content. So let's take an example. For example, if you want to target the keyword shoes, Google will show in the GDN network, in every website that belongs to this network, your banner, your image ad, and it will show this image ad only to people that have previously searched or have a high interest in shoes. So if I am a user that I'm high interested in shoes and I go in Forbes magazine, and there I will see your banner. If I'm not interested in shoes, or I haven't searched shoes in the past, I won't see your banner, I will see another banner. So this is the first way of targeting people based on what they searched previously, on what keywords searched previously. There is a second option on keywords, which is content. That means that you can target people based on what they read. So Google will put your banner, your image ad, inside articles that mention shoes. Maybe it's a good strategic move to put your banner in these articles if the article talks about shoes, but maybe the article talks about dog shoes, and you don't want your men's shoes banner to appear in an article based on dog shoes. So Google doesn't understand the context of the article. It just checks the keyword, and if the keyword is there, it puts your image ad next to that article. So be aware of this strategy. This is not always the right strategy for you. The audience is good, but it's not the right option for every kind of campaign. So we have more ways of targeting people, 2 to 7. So there are a lot of ways of targeting people. So don't stick to the keywords option. But this option is great if you are a doctor and you cannot do remarketing. We will analytically say what is remarketing and how to do it. But if you are a doctor and you cannot do remarketing because it's forbidden, doctors cannot do remarketing, and underwear cannot do remarketing, underwear businesses, so you can do keywords. So if I have a doctor as a client, I target the right keyword, and then I'm sure that people who are interested in that keyword and want to learn more about that keyword, they will see my banner. A great example based on doctors, and if you target the keyword, which is the problem the patients have, the disease, then your targeting will be great. But there are a lot of other ways of targeting in GDN, in Google AdWords display. So let's go to the second and see the third and the fourth. It's really magic how Google lets you target the audience you want.